Hello everybody, it's me, LegoMatron Fanots 3, coming at you with a vintage Lego town review. And today we're going to take a look at the Lego Backhoe set number 6662. This set is part of the Lego Construction Works theme. It contains 78 pieces. The set includes a minifig. It was released in 1992, and this set originally retailed for two prices. One of them was $6.75 in the US, and the other price was $7.25 in the US again. So that's all you need to know about the set. Here's the instruction manual. There's the front. It's a pan flip, and so it unfolds. Here's one side. And here's the flip side. And there's one thing I've noticed about the instruction manual, and that's this corner top detail here, and it reads 50p. Now I don't know what that stands for, so if any of you AFOLs out there know what that signifies, please let me know in the comment section below. Here's the minifig. Now the minifig's got overalls along with the red pocket, the red pants, and the red construction helmet. The minifig's got no facial expressions, it's really just the plain old smiley face. So let's remove that helmet and take a better look at the face there. Here's the back of the minifig, no back printing. So it's a really simple minifig, but anyway, there's the minifig. You also get a few accessories. Now you get 2 minifig accessories and 2 road signs. First we'll look at the minifig accessories and clip them into the minifig's hands. So there you have a shovel, which is in the dark gray, vintage gray color, and you have the broom, which is in the vintage brown color. So those colors are no longer produced or made. Then you have 2 road signs. Here's the first one. It's a warning sign. Then you have this sign, which is a sign telling you to go to your left. So those are the accessories. And here's the backhoe. The first thing you'll notice is that this vehicle is yellow. And so we'll be first looking at the front, and on the front you have this front loader, which moves up and down like this. And so the bucket moves up and down separately. And so you have headlights and this handlebar. So I guess you can tow the backhoe if you want to. Looking at the sides, you have the front wheels, which both move separately. Here you have a smoke pipe, and you have engine details there. That's what those round bricks are supposed to represent. On the bottom, here you have the tractor. You have the rear wheels, which both move together. On the back, you have the stabilizer legs, which you can move down like that. And so by doing that, you'll have the rear wheels up in the air, and they're really close from touching the ground, so they're not that high, but the front wheels are touching the ground still, so it's only the rear wheels which are really up in the air. So here in the back you have the backhoe, so you can adjust it like this, like that, and like that. And so you can also spin the backhoe around like this. And the person who came up with this design is a genius. I mean, this is really smart. And so you have two turntables stacked on each other, and only one can spin. And that's pretty smart. Now we'll be looking at the cab. You have the windscreen. And so it actually starts from the clear brick here, and it goes on up to the top of the windscreen. You have these yellow lights, which could represent headlights. Here's the back windscreen. You have red lights, which I'm assuming those are brake lights since you don't have any anywhere else. You have this yellow light. And you have the top window, which you can move up and down. And you can open the top like this. So inside the cab you have just a steering wheel and a spot where you can fit the minifig. So we shall fit him inside. And so overall, what I think of this set, it's a really neat set. It's got a lot, and when I mean a lot, I mean tons of play features. It's a really nice set. I would highly recommend it to you. But the only bad part is that these parts that can move around, they wear out over the years, and so they become really loose. But those are just with my pieces. But anyway, hope you've enjoyed this review, and I'll see you in the next video.